Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to back up your WhatsApp chats and messages. So I will show you two different methods to back up WhatsApp chat and messages. In first method, go to your WhatsApp and tap on this three dot at the top right and tap on settings. Here tap on chats and here you'll find chat backup. Just click on that. And now here, if you want to back up your WhatsApp chat including videos, you can enable this option. And now all you have to need, just click on backup to start backup your WhatsApp chats and tap on frequency. And here you can if you want to automatically backup WhatsApp messages, then you can select daily backup, and you can select weekly backup or you can select monthly backup. So if you want to manually backup, just tap on backup now and your messages will be backup. And if you want to backup or export individually all of your WhatsApp chats, here's how to do it. Go to your WhatsApp chat section and go to the conversation or chat that you want to backup and tap on this three dot. Tap on more and here tap on export chat. And now here you'll find different options to backup or export the chat. So I'm selecting here Gmail, and in this to field you can write a random Gmail here, and all you have to need, just send the mail. Now go to your Gmail and go to the sent folder, and here you'll find the backup mail. Just download the mail from here, and once it's downloaded, you will see all of your WhatsApp conversation messages have been downloaded. So this is how we can back up our WhatsApp chat and messages. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.